Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage, and we've had a lot of people call us on our Coyote swap kits if we make anything for like a Mustang 2 Coyote install kit. And honestly, I never really thought about it just because I figured people could figure that out. We're realizing that more often than not, people have done something like this where they put a Mustang 2 type of cross member in here in their vehicle, and now they got to get their Coyote in there and they're not sure how to do that. And so what we decided to do was make a universal / generic install kit that allows you to install these mounts onto your motor and then have this little perch that will come down here, and there'll be some a urethane bushing in there that this can mount. And then all you do right here is you trim this to fit your boxed in frame and whatever you've done, whatever angle you need to have this at. And so we kind of come up with this design. These are kind of ambidextrous, you know, they're symmetrical, so it kind of will help keep your motor centered, but these are long enough that they'll give you enough room to trim and manipulate and get it in. You'll need a box in your frame on any C-channel frame, and so you'll need to come up with some kind of a plate that you'll be able to stick down in here to help box it in, weld it in, and then from there you can install something like this that you can fit and have welded on after you get this trim to fit. And so simple little option. It just comes with the perches, the neoprene, and bolts for it. We don't come up with these pieces because I don't know what you're going to be putting it in. So you'll need to come up with something like this, usually 1/8 inch or 3/16. You know, if you install it properly, probably be okay. Usually you want this to be kind of tucked inside, just barely tucked in, so that the shear strength is supported by the bottom, and then just enough where you can just put a tiny, nice little weld bead right in there and be able to roll it over nicely. And so, you know, these one-offs, we decided we would make a universal product for everybody else. And so it's something that we'll have on our website. You'll be able to buy. We'll keep them in stock, and they will not be powder coated. They're just going to be raw. And the reason why is because you got to cut, you got to weld, and there's no sense in us powder coating that, waste any money on that. So anyways, definitely a cool little product, and hopefully that's helpful for some guys out there that need it. And with that, I guess that's it, man. Good luck building hot rods and putting Coyotes in your truck and enjoying the hobby. If you're not enjoying it, then figure out what you got to do, what you got to change, and enjoy it and have a good time. It's a lot of fun. Thanks.